Have the blizzard conditions like we're seeing out east. The snow, the wind, and drifts can really be dangerous for drivers.
When those dangerous conditions hit, as we know, many roads and highways can get shut down for very long stretches. Team coverage now continuing. Olivia Young out at Airpark Road and I-70 east of Denver. Olivia, the highway just reopened, out to Kansas?
It just did, Jim. Just 30 minutes ago, the highway behind me was full of semi-trucks pulled over, waiting for hours for that highway to reopen. I-70 has been closed east of here all the way to Kansas since 4 a.m., but just 20 minutes ago, the wait paid off and the highway reopened.
It's just, do we hang out here till everything goes, and how long is that going to be?
It's the question on every stranded traveler's mind.
Winter advisories and blizzards and high winds.
Blizzard conditions shutting down I-70 in both directions, from Airpark Road east to the Kansas border.
A lot of disappointment and wonderment, because where do we go from now?
Leaving cross-country travelers scrambling to find alternate routes.
And it looks like the only option is to keep going further south, like another 50 miles south to cut across into Kansas.
I got my kids and my work, so they're waiting for me.
Many now looking for somewhere to spend the night as the closure stretches past 12 hours.
We gotta wait for a little bit more, and if they're not get to open, we're probably gonna have to get like a hotel or something.
Others deciding to wait it out.
I got TV, radio stuff, just sit down and I read my Bible and just relax.
It's not the first time Texas-based truck driver Alan Johnson has sat out a blizzard on I-70.
Last time I was here about 4 or 5 days on the side of the road, and it was back in the 80s though.
Was that the same kind of spot here?
Yeah, right here, same highway.
This time around, he hopes it won't be that long, but CDOT says when I-70 will reopen depends on Mother Nature.
Sometimes we just have to take the bitter with the sweet and keep on going.
Now, when CDOT is reopening and closing these highways, they're not just looking at the safety concerns, but in this case, also what's happening in Kansas. CDOT told me they didn't want to reopen the highway, just have people stranded at the border. So right now it does look like I-70 is open as you head into Kansas, but it's still showing up that it is closed in parts of Kansas, so make sure you're keeping an eye on that. You may have to take some alternate routes there. On I-70, I'm Olivia Young, covering Colorado First.
Olivia,